back. This time I went ahead and spared everyone the details of putting an exhaust on. It's kind of boring. We do have the breather on now with the ring and jackhammers on the Bassani 2.1 2 headers. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be setting up the Thundermax.